students, welcome to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. Myself Pooja Dhokre. Students, in our previous session we have already started our 6th lesson, symmetry, patterns, nets and maps. In that also we have already studied about symmetrical line, even quarter turn and half turn, even pattern also we have studied. Now today we will study number pattern. So open your textbook, page number 84. Now students, before that, for the number patterns you should know the calculations very well. Even you should do the perfect multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Even you should do the study about even numbers, odd numbers and squares, cubes also. So what is meant by squares? See students, squares. When we multiply same number by itself, we will get the square. That means if we will multiply 1 multiply 1, we will get 1. That means square of 1 is 1. Now if we multiply 2 by itself, that means the multiplication is 4. That means square of 2 is 4. Okay. For 3 also same. If you multiply 3 by itself, so the answer is 9. That means the square of 3 is 9. It can be written like this. Okay. Now for 4, the square of 4 is 16. 5, square of 5, 25. Square of 6, 36. Square of 7, 49. Square of 8, 64. Square of 9, 81. And square of 10, 100. That means all of you understood what is meant by squares. Squares means when we multiply one number by itself, the answer is a square of that particular number. Okay, so you should learn this very well, isn't it? It will be easy for you for solving the pattern sums. Now students, here cubes. Just now I told you about squares. Then what is meant by cubes? Is it a figure cube? No. I want to say about cubes means when we multiply one number 3 times. So the answer will come, that is a cube. That we see here. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Just now I multiplied 1 3 times. The answer 1. So that means cube of 1 is 1. Now about 2. See students, cube of 2. That means multiply 2 3 times. What will come to us? 8. Very good. That means the cube of 2 is 8. Now see here, cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4, 64. Cube of 5, 125. Cube of 6, 216. Cube of 7, 343. Cube of 8, 512. Cube of 9, 729. Cube of 10, 1000. Cube of 11, 1331. Cube of 12, 1728. Cube of 13, 2197. And cube of 14, 2744. And the last here, cube of 15, 3375. So students, you should learn it very well so that you can solve the sums very easily. Now students, open page number 84. Here number patterns. See, before that we'll see exercise 6.3 question number 2. Put a cross on the incorrect design in the pattern and correct it. Now students, see here, quarter turn of this figure, this will come. Again quarter turn of this figure in clockwise direction here. So it will look different because the quarter turn of this figure will look like this, isn't it? But here they have given this side. That means this one is a wrong. So correct one looks like here, like this. And the last one, quarter turn of this figure is like this. Okay. Now B1. Here. See students, red color, yellow color and red color. Now students, tell me, in the yellow color will come here and red color will come here. So in the next figure, how it will looks? Yes, in the next figure, red color will come here and yellow color will come here. So this one is a wrong. So correct figure is here the red color and here the yellow color. Okay, so remaining are the correct figures. Now see C1 here. See. Here is a dot. Now here you can see half turn. So which one is wrong here? See students, this one is a wrong, isn't it? Now how it will come? It will look like this. And where the red dot will come, students? Yeah? Tell me students, where it will come? Yes students, it will come here, isn't it? Now D1. Now tell me which one is wrong here. See here yellow color and here one box green color. Here also 3 yellow colors and here green color. So which one is the correct? So which one is the wrong one? See students, the green color is here in this figure. Again in this figure here. In this figure here. Again here. So in the next figure it will come here. But they have given here in this box. So this figure is a wrong one. So that's why green color will come here and remaining 3 will be the yellow color boxes. Okay. So now all of you understood what is meant by pattern. Now we'll see number pattern. Here, look at the series of numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Students, just now I told you about squares, isn't it? Now they have given the square series. This one is a square of 1. Here this one is a square of no. So that means they have not given here the series of a square. Okay, so don't get confused. Here 4, 8, 16. So they are the squares. No. Here they have not given the series of a square. See, here the difference between 2 and 1 is 1. Now the difference between 4 and 2 is 2. Here the difference between 8 and 4 is 4. The difference between 16 and 8 is 8. That means if you multiply 1 by 2, you will get the answer 2. If you multiply again 2 by 2, 4. If you multiply 4 by 2, 8 will come. Again multiply 8 by 2, 16 will come. Now multiply 16 by 2, you will get the answer 32. In this way you can complete the number pattern. Okay. Now students, can you say what the next number will be? Just now I told you, here each number is a double the number before it. So the next number is 32. The number after that is 32, isn't it? Now look at the series. Here 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Now which type of pattern is this? Yes, here 3 is added to each number to get the next number. What are the next two numbers? See students, if we add 2, I add 3 into, we'll get 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Now we want next two numbers. So just add 3 in 14, you will get 17. And again add 3 in 17, you will get 20. Okay, now all of you understood? See, let us look at a more difficult pattern. Now see here the pattern 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. Now tell me students, which type of pattern is this? See students, here each number is added, doubled, and then 1 is added to get the next number. See here 1 multiplied by 2, 2, and plus 1, 3. Even 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 1, 7. Now 7 multiplied by 2, 14, and add 1, 15. Okay. Now 15 multiplied by 2, 30, plus 1, 31. Now 31 multiplied by 2, what will come students? Yes, 62, and add 1 in it, so we will get 63. Okay. Now students, see triangular numbers, page number 85. Here see, the numbers which can be arranged as dots in a triangle pattern are termed as triangular number. See, here is a 1, so 1, 2, it looks like a triangular form. So 1 plus 2, 3. Again 1, 2 and 3. It also looks like a triangular form. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now last one, here also it looks like triangle. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that means 10. So this is a triangular pattern. Now students, numbers, here numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 are called triangular numbers. The first 10 triangular numbers are, here they have given first 10 triangular numbers. That means we can draw like this. See, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 36, 45, 55. So we can draw these numbers in this triangular form also. Okay, so these are the triangular numbers. Now see here, the numbers which can be arranged as dots in a triangle pattern are termed as triangular numbers. See, like this. Okay, so these are called triangular numbers. Now here, square numbers. Numbers which can be arranged as dots in a square patterns are called square numbers. See, 1, here 2, 2 makes 4 and 3. Okay, here 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Here 3 multiplied by 3, 9. It looks like a square pattern. Even here 4. it looks like a square pattern. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. Okay, now numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are called square numbers. They are the products of the numbers, that means 1, 2, 3 multiplied by themselves. The first 10 square numbers, I told you square numbers, see 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. I told about the square number, that means here also they are the square numbers. So students, see next one, here square numbers. Numbers which can be arranged as dots in a square pattern are called square numbers. Here, see, square of 1, 1, square of 2, 4, 9 is a square of a 3. Here 4 columns and 4 rows, that means here square of a 4, 16. Here 5 columns and 5 rows, 5 multiplied by 5, square of a 5, 25. Now all of you understood triangular numbers and square numbers? Okay, very good students. Now here we'll see our next point. Here they have shown us some more patterns. Study the pattern given below and write the next two terms. See here. Here 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1, it will come 9. Again 12 multiplied by 8 plus 2, 98. Now here after 1 they have taken here 2. Here after 2, here 3. So you can see the pattern. Here also they have increased one number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. That means what will come here? See, 5, because they have increased the number here. So that's why here it will come 5 and 8 as it is. Even here it will come 5. So the multiplication is 7, 60. Here 5. Okay, now the next pattern will come. Here I can write 6 multiplied by 8 and plus 6 also. Okay, so the answer will, what will be the answer? Yes students, 5 and 4. Do the addition student, multiplication and addition, so you will get the answer. Okay, now next pattern students. Here you can see, here 9 as it is we can write, even 8 also, 7, 6, they have the different pattern. See 9, 8, 7, 6 and here it will come 5. Again multiply 9 and here plus 3. Okay, so just do the calculation. The answer will be here 8. Okay, so in this way you can write the pattern. Even the last one, what will come students here? See, here what will come students? 4 multiplied by 9 and here 2. Okay, so the answer will be like this, isn't it? So all of you understood the patterns? Okay, now exercise 6.4. See students, here what rule is followed to get the following patterns? what are the next two numbers in each patterns? See, first one, 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, so here they have given us alternate numbers, 1 and they have skipped 2 and here is a 3, skipped 4 5, skipped 6 7, skipped 8, here is a 9, so we can skip now 10 and we can write 12. Now the next number, what will come, students? Yes, we can skip 12 and we can write 13. Okay, now understood all of you this one? Okay, now the next one, B. Here, what will be the pattern, students? Yes, can you tell me? Just now I told you about different patterns. So here, what will come, students? Yes, here are the cubes. This one is a cube of a 1, isn't it? Here are the cubes. No, students. So don't get confused. Tell me the correct answer. Students, here they have multiplied the number by 3. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. Now multiply 27 by 3, 81 will come, and again multiply 81 by 3, 343 will come. So students, in this way you can solve the patterns. Now C1. So think about the pattern. What will come, students? Yeah. See, students, here they have multiplied by 2 and again subtracted 1 from this. So next number will come. That means here the answer is 3. Now 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So subtract 1 from it, will get 5. Again 5 multiplied by 2, 10 and minus 1, 9. 9 multiplied by 2, 18 and minus 1, 17. Okay, now 17 multiplied by 2, 34 and subtract 1, you will get 33. Now again multiply 33 by 2. Yes, what is the multiplication? 66. Okay, and subtract 1 from it, the answer will be 65. Okay. Now B1. Here observe the pattern, students. What can you see? Think. Yes, students, tell me the answer. See, if you multiply 4, here it will come 4. But again if we multiply it by 4, what will come here? It will come 16. But here is the answer 13. So this pattern will not match here. Now what to do, students? Tell me. Yes. Think about the square pattern. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, but here is a 13. Then what to do, students? Yes, here 4 minus 1, 3, 13 minus 4, 9, 14 minus 13. Yes, students, what will come? Do subtraction. 40 minus 30. Yes, 27. So can you observe the pattern, students? Which pattern will come? See, here in this pattern, if you multiply 3 by 3, it will come again 9. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. That means differences, whatever differences, just multiply it by 3. Now tell me, next number, what will come here? Multiply 27 by 3. The multiplication is 81. So you just add here 81. Your answer will be 121. Okay. Now here is the 81. So multiply again 81 by 3. Here 81 by 3. 243. Now add this 243 into 121. So the addition 364. So here is the answer. Now next pattern. See here. See, first of all we can follow the subtraction. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 14 minus 5, yes students, 9. So here also they have multiplied 1 by 3, 3 will come. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Okay, if you multiply again 9 by 3, 27 will come, isn't it? Now 14 plus 27. Here 41 will come. Now again multiply 27 by 3, it will come 21. So just add 41 and 81. So the answer is 122. So students, in this way we can solve the patterns also. There will be different patterns at the examples every time. So students, our question number 2 we will see page number 86. Here see. So what they have given here students? Write the multiplication table of 6 and find out the pattern it follows. Okay, see here. Write the multiplication table of 6 and find out the pattern it follows. That means you can write table of 6 like this. That means the difference between these numbers is equal to 6. That means it follows the difference pattern. Okay. Now you can write till 10 also like this. So you can observe the difference between these numbers is equal to 6. Now third question. Find any two numbers which are both triangular and square numbers. Okay students, so you just find it two numbers which are both triangular as well as square. That means in triangular 1 is a square of a 1 and 1 is a cube of a square. So that students, even 36 also. Okay, now students fill in the blanks. See here, this question, fill in the blanks with odd numbers in sequence and find the sum. We have to write here odd numbers in the sequence. Okay, so what will come here? 3 plus 1, 4. 1 is an odd number. Then 1 plus 3 and next odd number is a 5. So just answer is 9. Again here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. What will come to us? 16. Very good. Again here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Do the addition students. Yes, 25. Here again 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11. Very good. And the answer will be 36. Okay. Now students, here what do you notice about this sum? Yes, if you add the odd numbers and you will get here all are the squares, isn't it? Okay, now this one is a square of a 2, here is a square of a 3, square of a 4, square of a 5 and square of a 6. Okay, now the last one, here show the next two square numbers by shading dots. Here see, here they have solved one example, so we can show 16. How? So 4 columns and 4 rows we can shade, we can color. So in this way 4 multiplied by 4, 16 will come. And here 25, square of a 5. So shade 5 dots, color 5 dots and color column and rows of 5. So here you will get square of a 25. Now students, in this lesson today we have studied pattern, squares, cubes. In this way we can solve triangular numbers also and square numbers also. So today we have completed our exercise 6.4. In the next session we will see what is meant by nets, even views of a solid, and even we will see maps also. Okay, thank you students.